Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Brain, the place where you can relax, listen, and grow your English step by step.
Hi, friends. Today we'll train one very useful skill, sounding professional in emails and meetings with simple English.
Yes, you want to sound polite and clear, but your brain says, I don't know the right words.
Here is the good news. You do not need complicated English.
You need a few safe professional phrases that work in many situations.
In a minute, we'll share a simple trick that can change how you feel about work English.
And by the end, you will have 15 phrases you can reuse again and again.
Let's start with the main idea. Professional English is often calm, polite, and direct.
Short sentences, clear actions, no stress. That is what good work English sounds like.
Also, a quick reminder, feeling nervous is normal.
Especially in meetings, especially when you must answer fast.
But each small practice builds your future English self.
The future you who can write emails quickly, speak calmly, and feel confident at work.
Now, here is the simple trick. Ready?
The trick is don't search for perfect, search for professional and clear.
Professional and clear means you use simple structures.
Like, could you? Please find, just to confirm, let me know.
Great. Let's learn the phrases in useful groups. Emails first, then meetings.
Group 1. Starting a professional email.
Phrase 1. I hope you're doing well.
This is friendly and safe.
Phrase 2. I'm writing to ask about.
Phrase 3. I'm writing to follow up on.
Follow up means you contact again about something.
Let's put them in short examples.
I hope you're doing well. I'm writing to ask about the schedule.
I hope you're doing well. I'm writing to follow up on my last email.
Simple, polite, and clear.
Micro challenge number 1.
Now you try. Say one sentence out loud to start an email.
Choose one. I hope you're doing well, or I'm writing to ask about.
Say it slowly, say it clearly.
Good. Group 2. Asking for information politely.
Phrase 4. Could you please confirm?
Phrase 5. Could you share more details about?
Phrase 6. When you have a moment, could you?
That last one is very polite and not too strong.
Yes, it sounds calm.
Examples.
Could you please confirm the meeting time?
Could you share more details about the price?
When you have a moment, could you send the file?
Group 3. Giving information clearly.
Phrase 7. Please find attached.
Phrase 8. Here is the updated version.
Phrase 9. As discussed.
Examples again.
Please find attached the report.
Here is the updated version of the document.
As discussed, the deadline is Friday.
Group 4. Confirming and checking.
Phrase 10. Just to confirm.
Phrase 11. Could you please let me know if that works for you?
This phrase is great for scheduling.
Just to confirm, our meeting is on Tuesday at 10.
Could you please let me know if that works for you?
Very polite, very professional.
Now let's switch to meetings.
Meetings can feel stressful because you must speak in real time. Yes, and you can't edit your words like an email.
So you need simple meeting phrases that give you time and control.
Group 5. Joining the meeting and starting.
Phrase 12. Hi everyone, can you hear me?
Phrase 13. Thanks for joining.
Phrase 14. Let's get started.
These phrases are small, but they make you sound confident.
Because you sound prepared.
Now some phrases for speaking during the meeting.
Phrase 15. Just to clarify.
Just to clarify means I want to make it clear.
Example. Just to clarify, do we mean Friday or Monday?
Another useful meeting line is, in my opinion.
And also, I agree, or I'm not sure about that.
Let's do a tiny meeting mini dialogue.
Good. Keep it simple and realistic.
Hi everyone, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Great, thanks for joining. Let's get started.
Sure. Just to confirm, are we talking about the new schedule today?
Yes, exactly. As discussed, we need to choose a new date.
Just to clarify, do we need the final decision today?
Good question. In my opinion, we can decide today.
Okay, I agree.
Notice something important.
What?
The English is simple, but the communication is professional.
That is the goal for A2 to B1 learners. Simple and professional.
Micro-challenge number 2.
Now you try. Say 2 meeting phrases out loud.
Option A, just to clarify, and finish the sentence.
Option B, in my opinion, and finish the sentence.
For example, just to clarify, is the deadline Friday?
Or, in my opinion, this plan is good.
Great. Now a quick mindset moment.
Many learners think, if I speak simple English at work, I sound weak.
But simple English is not weak.
Simple English is clear, and clear English is professional.
Your future English self will not speak perfect grammar all the time.
Your future English self will communicate clearly, fix mistakes calmly, and continue speaking.
If you forget a word in a meeting, it's okay.
You can say, sorry, one moment, or how do you say, and continue.
The real skill is not never making mistakes.
The real skill is staying calm and continuing.
Now let's give a simple routine you can follow this week.
A mini plan for your work English.
Day 1, choose 3 email starters and use one today.
I hope you're doing well. I'm writing to ask about. I'm writing to follow up on.
Day 2, choose 3 asking phrases and practice them twice.
Could you please confirm? Could you share more details about? When you have a moment, could you?
Day 3, write a short email with 2 phrases. Please find attached and just to confirm.
Keep it short. 2 or 3 lines is enough.
Day 4, practice meeting phrases for 1 minute before work.
Hi everyone, can you hear me? Thanks for joining. Let's get started.
Day 5, do 1 small real action.
In a real email, use 1 new phrase, or in a real meeting, use just to clarify 1 time.
That's it. Small daily steps.
This is how you build your future English self.
Micro-challenge number 3.
Now you try. Say 1 full professional sentence you can use tomorrow.
For example, could you please confirm the meeting time?
Or, please find attached the document.
Say it once slowly, then say it 1 more time.
Repetition makes it automatic.
Now it's time for the question of the day.
Which phrase from today will you use first, in an email or in a meeting?
Write your answer in the comments, and write 1 full sentence with your chosen phrase.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the English Brain.
Share it with a friend or coworker who is also learning English.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep it simple, keep it clear, and keep going step by step.